Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday's new all-time high at 124,500 was followed by a pullback of about 5.82%. Several factors may have influenced this move. Some observers pointed to official comments suggesting there were no current plans for additional large-scale Bitcoin acquisitions, which reduced speculation about potential reserve expansion. In addition, today's U.S. Producer Price Index (PPI) data release added pressure, with gold also declining 1.33% over the same period. The PPI for July rose 0.9% month-on-month and 3.3% year-on-year, both above expectations of 0.2% and 2.5%. This signaled stronger than expected inflation trends, lowering the likelihood of near-term Federal Reserve rate cuts. As the U.S. dollar and Treasury yields strengthened, a broad sell-off occurred across risk-sensitive markets. Bitcoin's value moved from a high of 124.5K to the 117.2K range by early August 15, during which total market position closures reached approximately $1 billion. From that, longs took the real beating, 870.18 million versus shorts at 141.48 million. That's brutal. On the 1-hour chart, long wave triggered at 117,800. Looking at the 3-day heat map, the previously highlighted area near 117,200, shown in yesterday's analysis, was cleared during this move. Momentum has been edging higher since, though the next short-term targets are less defined on this time frame. On the 1-day heat map, the most prominent level visible is 122,500. Fund flow data for August 14th showed total net inflows of $230.84 million across Bitcoin spot ETFs. The largest addition came from IBIT at $523.74 million. Offsetting these were outflows from one major provider at $113.5 million, another at $149.9 million, a third at $30.9 million, and a smaller issuer at $5.9 million, with other participants reporting no change for the day. Instead of accelerating further into price discovery, the data suggests some participants have stepped back, an interesting contrast to what might typically be expected. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.